Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
Marketing Cloud Connect. Marketing Cloud Connect, it is nothing else. It is a normal Salesforce admin account. Like the Salesforce, it is a Sales Cloud. How we can connect to Sales Cloud? Suppose Sales Cloud. There is a contact, there is accounts, and we can use that. Will we fetch the data? Now our data source is data extension. Now if we can bring that data from Sales Cloud to Marketing Cloud. It is a Marketing Cloud Connect through Marketing Cloud Connect, and we can send email to the Salesforce using Marketing Cloud. That is that area if we achieve. Let me explore. Here the enterprise, if it is without license, definitely will be good. Because they have required, I think, Salesforce CRM as well. Salesforce CRM, it is a Sales Cloud. You have any registration in Ruby app? You have any Salesforce? If you do not have, you can do a registration in the Salesforce related account. I have the developer account and get Salesforce developer. That will be that account. Keep ready. That account. Let me do explore and I hope to get success, but I do not want to keep anything. Please drop a name. You can create a quick data extension. Then you can do. It will not take much more time. It will be on hand and it will be practiced for Ruby also. First, we need to create a one data extension with a name. That data extension will be connected with the cloud pages and then it will be connected with the journey builder. It will be addition of all the coverage that's within that code. Now I'm going to, and there are 3 coverage that's present from that code. The value will be passing will be addition of that. No, but the exposure will be addition of all the group. Do we require that sendable? Yes, make it sendable. Make it sendable. Let's find that group. Last time we discussed that for Bureau X2 code it will be the addition of all the extension within that group. We are doing. What's the priority? I will put it as an email address. It has not matched that. We can do some changes. This is a past name has been selected. Better or less keep a sub favorite key like on field. That will be better. It's your email is a primary key. You choose the email here. You have created on data extension, but now we need to connect. Next step is a cloud position. Create a contract, fresh blank page, but create a new collection. Yes, give a name. I can go through each and every query from this screenshot. In EasyMidly, we're posing one OBHC and an FA. But last time when we discussed, if you check the error the last time, we mentioned in that we fixed for the 2 fields last time, but it is still showing. Here one thing to go to checkbox use journey window. Use journey window checkbox. You have to give them name. That name will be. You will find out in the journey window. No, you choose your data extension because you have created Cloud Pages data extension. A default data extension is created. You can use it, but we are using our own data extension. There is another option. You can use the Cloud Places default data. That is, all of the events are coming from the profile. Because someone profile, but better to use our own data extension. Choose a data extension. Click on Select Data Extension. You can see that Data Extension button. Click on button. This is the 1.6. This was the one that we mentioned these 2 fields. And we fixed it for. Now choose fields. This is done. It is published. Click this link. You can quit. Keep it one tab. And then now go to now where she should go. What will be the next task for German? Next will be creating the automation. Automation. You will have to click the cloud. Just duplicate it. Just go to automation. I think here automation will be not required because it's a cloud. Yes, we don't need the Got it. We need to go to the job. What is that? Just 1 minute. What is the source?